You ask them that question, like, how can I help today? They say, I'm actually looking for a new pair of glasses. I mean, that would make sense. We're an optical store. And so they answer that question like, I'm looking for a new pair of glasses. What are some questions that you can ask them that just kind of clarify to know where they're starting their search? You know, what are they looking for? And so and this is one of those versions again that you'll get your own version of these questions and you'll feel comfortable asking it in that way, but this is something to mimic for now or imitate. So is there a certain color or shape you had in mind? You know, that kind of gives us a reference point of, you know, do they want something that's bold and colorful and fun, or do they want something more minimal? And you kind of get a sense of that. And that's kind of goes into that second question. Maybe if they don't really know their style or they don't have a shape in mind, then you can be like, okay, so you're looking for something more bold or more minimal, kind of help them out a little bit. Or are you looking for something like pink, or do you want something that is gray? You know? And so you're kind of just uncovering some of those points of style so you know where to start when you're selecting those frames for them. And I think a lot of it's like, once you see them, you kind of know. Like we were talking about that client earlier, Greg, and you know, it's like you're looking at his style, you're kind of sizing him up. You don't want to like just put him in a certain box, but you're kind of getting an idea of what he might look for based on what he's wearing clothes-wise or what he's had in the past.
Yeah, and I think the cool part is one thing that I tend to do, like even throughout my work history, is I kind of bounce off of what I personally am. So that's why I was kind of like, I'm more so flamboyant, and then based off that, he kind of gives me his feedback on what he is, and I'm kind of like, okay, all right, and then I kind of like, okay, this is what, you know, this is your type of style. I would personally go for this if this is your type of style or something like that. But yeah.
That way you're communicating and you're building rapport there too. I love that that way of doing it. So, and they're understanding you more, and what you're wearing might be a certain thing. But yeah, I like that. And then the other question is like, at the end of the day, like these are glasses that you're wearing on a daily basis, but you really want to know how often they're wearing their glasses. You don't want to assume that they're wearing them every day, and that can kind of uncover some things for what activities. You know, it's like if they start talking about being on a boat with their glasses and all these things, you're already in your mind, you're going, okay, so obviously they need a pair of eyeglasses, but what if they also need a pair of sunglasses? So you're starting to uncover some other problems for them that you can solve. Right. So it's not only like figuring out what style that you want to choose for them and help them guide them, but you're also just uncovering other needs they might have. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
When we get into it too, it'll be like, maybe they say, well, I wear my glasses at work often and mostly for the computer. Well, there's a computer lens that you can actually sell them that's ideal for the computer.
Oh, wow.
So things like that is what you're uncovering with that first question too.
So,
and some of those will play out as you go, but I think initially it's nice to know kind of what their starting point.